Hello everyone, in my today's video I will tell you if your apps are not installed in your device how you can fix this issue in your device OnePlus Nord N300. So if in this device if you're having any problem like your apps are not installed or any other issue related to the app installation, you can fix it by following the few easy steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.